Hi students, this is Viswanath, Chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. Today's class we will learn effect of inductive effect on acidic strength of carboxylic acids. That means the acidic strength of carboxylic acid is influenced by inductive effect. How we can see? First of all, what is carboxylic acid? COOH group is present in the given compound that is called carboxylic acid. Example CH3COOH. Its name is acetic acid. In this, CH3 group is attached to COOH. So it is an example for carboxylic acid. This compound can produce H plus ion. That's why it is called acid. Now take the general formula of carboxylic acids or COOH. RCOOH is the general formula of carboxylic acid. Now, this carboxylic acid is added to the water, undergo ionization and produces H plus ions. RCOOH minus plus H plus ion. This H plus ion combines with water and forms H3O plus hydronium ion. So, this is the reaction when acid is added to the water. It is a reversible process. Now for this reversible reaction, write the equilibrium constant Ka equal to product of concentrations of the products divided by product of concentrations of the reactants. Here H2O change in concentration is negligible. That's why we can write in this way. So Ka equal to product of, here these are the product, RCOO minus concentration into H3O plus ion concentration divided by RCOOH concentration of RCOOH. Here Ka is called ionization constant of acid or dissociation constant of acid. Okay, for a particular acid, for an acid Ka is more, then stronger is the acid. Stronger is the acid. So Ka value is more, then that particular acid is stronger. Ka value is less, weaker the acid. Weaker is the acid. So for an acid, Ka value is more, then stronger is the acid. Ka is less, weaker is the acid. How can we decide based on Ka? See this one. Ka means this is the expression. In this, Ka value more means numerator value is more. In this numerator, H3O plus ion concentration, this is nothing but H plus ion concentration. H plus ion concentration is more, then Ka value is more. When we can get more concentration of H plus ion, in the ionization reaction, more amount of H plus ions are there, then its value increases and hence Ka value is also more. So more number of H plus ions are obtained in the ionization process means that carboxylic acid produces more amount of H plus ion or that carboxylic acid undergo more amount of ionization. Ionization of carboxylic acid is more, then more number of H plus ions are released. That means concentration of H plus ions are more in that ionization process. It gives high value of Ka. From that we can say the given compound is stronger acid. So for an acid, Ka value is more, stronger is the acid. Ka value is less, weaker is the acid. That means less number of H plus ions are produced. But generally for convenience we can express acidic nature of the acid in terms of pKa value. So pKa value is more, then weaker is the acid. pKa value is more, then weaker is the acid. Because pKa formula, what is that? Already in the equilibrium chapter we completed pH value, pOH and pKa. pKa equal to minus log of Ka concentration minus log of Ka base 10. So inversely related, pKa and Ka both are inversely related. For an acid, pKa is more, weaker is the acid. pKa is less, stronger is the acid. Stronger is the acid. So in this way, remember carefully, in terms of pKa we can measure the acidic strength of the acid. For an acid, pKa value is more, weaker is the acid. pKa value is less, stronger is the acid. Now effect of substituents, effect of substituents on acidic strength of carboxylic acids. Acidic strength of carboxylic acids. Now what type of substituents? Two types are there: electron donating, electron withdrawing. Now electron withdrawing substituents, electron withdrawing groups, these are also called minus I groups. We are discussing about influence of inductive effect, that's why minus I groups. Electron withdrawing groups or minus I groups. These electron withdrawing groups increases the acidic character of carboxylic acids. Electron withdrawing groups increases acidic character of acids. Example, Cl. Say this one. For example, if we take acetic acid and alpha chloroacetic acid. So this is alpha chloroacetic acid and this one is acetic acid. In this acetic acid, CH3 group attached to COOH. Here CH2 containing halogen is attached to COOH. Between these two compounds, CH3 is a electron releasing group. Here electron withdrawing chlorine atom is there, so it can attract the bonding electron pair towards itself, then this bonding electron pair towards itself. More clearly, if we see arrangement of atoms, CH3, COOH, OH, CH2, Cl, COOH. In these compounds, this bond is broken, then H plus ion is released. Here also this bond is broken, then we can get H plus ion. That means compound exhibits acidic nature. When this bond becomes weak, this bonding electron pair is more closer to oxygen, then we can break this bond easily. This bonding electron pair is more closer to oxygen, then we can break this bond easily. This bonding electron pair is not closer to oxygen, then breaking difficult. Understand? Now come to these compounds. In these two compounds, CH3COOH, here ClCH2COOH. So in these two compounds, it is a electron releasing group, that means electron donating group. This is a electron withdrawing group. CH3 is a electron releasing group or electron donating group. Cl is a electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing means bonding electrons are attracted towards chlorine. from this towards this group, from this towards this group, from this towards this group, this atom. Then we can break this bond easily. Between OH, bonding electron pair is more closer to the oxygen due to the presence of chlorine atom. So this bond becomes polar and we can break this compound easily. So finally what we can say, this compound can produce H plus ion easily. Come to this one. It is a electron donating group. It provides electron density to the attached atom and it provides electron density to this oxygen. Then breaking of this bond becomes difficult. So it can its acidic nature is less than this one. Due to the presence of electron donating groups, acidic character of carboxylic acid decreases. Due to the presence of electron withdrawing group, acidic character of carboxylic acid increases. Okay, see this one. Electron withdrawing groups increases acidic character of carboxylic acids, and electron donating groups decreases acidic character of carboxylic acids, acidic character of carboxylic acids. Okay, so electron withdrawing groups increases acidic character of carboxylic acids, electron donating groups decreases acidic character of carboxylic acids. Now more number of electron withdrawing atoms are there, then acidic character is more. Less number of electron withdrawing atoms are there, acidic character is less. So if number of electron withdrawing atoms or groups increases, then acidic character is also increased. Okay, so more number of electron withdrawing atoms or groups increases, then acidic character is also increases. Now say this one. Another point, next point, if the position of electron withdrawing groups or atoms is closer to COOH group, then acidic character is more. The position of electron withdrawing atoms or groups is closer to COOH group, then acidic character is more. The position of electron withdrawing group is more from COOH, then acidic character is less. That means if the distance of electron withdrawing group from COOH group is less, then acidic character is more. Then acidic character is more, and vice versa. Say this example. Alpha chloro butyric acid is more acidic than beta chloro butyric acid, which in turn is more acidic than gamma chloro butyric acid, which is more acidic than N-butyric acid. So if we write the formula for these compounds, we can understand clearly. See here, CH3 This is alpha chlorobutyric acid. Next, gamma chlorobutyric acid. Sorry, beta chlorobutyric acid. This is beta chlorobutyric acid. Next, gamma chloro. This is gamma chlorobutyric acid. Next, N-butyric acid, CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. Okay, so here chlorine in these three compounds, chlorine is electron withdrawing group. So this chlorine is closer to COOH functional group. That's why its acidic character is more. Here some more distance. This is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. At beta position, electron withdrawing group is there. Distance from this electron withdrawing group and COOH is more than here. So acidic character is less. Here distance is more than these two compounds. So acidic character is less. Here no such type of electron withdrawing group. That's why acidic character is less. Okay. So in this way, electron withdrawing groups increases acidic character and releasing groups decreases acidic character of carboxylic acids. Okay, students, if you have any doubt, post your doubts in the comment section. I will clarify in the next class. Thank you.